Hi everyone, welcome to the Ubiquiti Aircube access point unboxing. So today we've had this come into stock, and before it goes out to be installed by the guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick show around of it. So what do you get in the box? You obviously get the Aircube, and you did get a little quick start guide and the UK power adapter. Have come such a long way in their styling of their products. So here on the back you've obviously got the 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. The Ubiquiti Aircube delivers, as it states, wireless speeds of 867 megabits per second. Let's have a look at some of the other spec. And talking through the entire video, I'm just going to put some bullet points up of the specification of this unit. This unit was recently installed into an office. It obviously can be used in home environments as well. It's really lightweight, it's really compact, and Ubiquiti are really, I think, on their game at the moment in the way that they're styling their products. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.